Welcome to Crypto Live. In this video, you will know the only needed amount of XRP to get rich. Thus, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our upcoming videos about cryptocurrencies. It would be great if you could share this video to your friends and family members so that they can get updated too. So, have you ever wondered how much cryptocurrency you would need to become rich? What can be done to ensure that one can make money off of crypto investments in the long term or mid-term? You needn't worry though, we have you covered, but we mean in terms of knowledge, suggestions, and insights. But before that, how does Ripple work? First of all, if you've never been to our channel before, Ripple is a digital currency and a network for facilitating international payments. There are three components of Ripple that are distinct but interrelated. And what are those? First, Ripple Network is an electric payment network based on digital payments. As for number two, XRP is a cryptocurrency based on the Ripple Network. Ripple is a decentralized cryptocurrency. And three, Ripple Labs is a software company, the group that provides Ripple Network services, XRPs, and other blockchain-based payment technologies to financial institutions. Typically, financial payment processes are unnecessarily complex and fragmented, which is why Ripple strives to make financial transactions as simple as possible. In turn, waiting periods are long, payments are high, and unreliability is a factor. There is no doubt that Ripple is providing an alternative platform for cross-border payments that is 100% stable, instantaneous, and virtually free. The Ripple network is also able to transfer money using any currency, including cryptocurrencies. As we all know, in late December 2020, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission filed a complaint against Ripple for an unregistered stock sale. Thus, XRP investors have expressed concerns about XRP even before the SEC filed a complaint. Recently, however, the cryptocurrency industry saw a fresh wave of confusion after sources close to the Biden administration claimed that policymakers were considering hikes in taxes on wealthy investors. As a result, social opinions related to XRP dropped significantly, reaching their lowest level since March. And in the last few days, however, there has been an increase, which may indicate an increase in prices in the weeks to come. Because of a lack of social awareness, historically prices typically rise during the summer months. An online trading site based in Singapore, FEMX, recently conducted a survey to evaluate their users' interest in XRP. Around 74% of the 2,500 people who responded to FEMX's survey said they wanted them to resume offering Ripple XRP. Since XRP's listing on one exchange, traders have begun trading the coin, and Phoenix as well as CoinGate have already listed XRP on their platforms. Even as market sentiment sometimes fell, the purchasing momentum for the world's sixth most valuable cryptocurrency has risen strongly in recent days according to XRP supply distribution map. And a large increase in addresses of millions of dollars in XRP was noticed by sentiment and analytics websites. Whales, as the community has dubbed them, have increased the number of addresses of more than 1 million XRP addresses by 1.25% within a short time frame. And it may seem insignificant at first glance that the recent rise in major investors backing XRP is not as noticeable as it appears on the surface. However, due to the fact that these whales own over $1.4 billion of Ripple XRP, the massive jump in upward momentum may cause a market cap rise worth billions of dollars. Unlike Ethereum and Bitcoin, Ripple's XRP coins do not originate from a mining process. Since no new coins will be added to the market, the company's creators have been able to accumulate a large portion of them. Then, Chris Larson apparently owns almost 1/3 of all XRP, which is profoundly concerning since this contradicts the cryptocurrency's main ideology of decentralization. It is because blockchain considers XRP to be a non-cryptocurrency at all. Also, in contrast to Bitcoin, which is mined and then shared anonymously between users, it violates many of the decentralization and economic autonomy values. Thus, rather than revolutionizing how ordinary citizens share or store value, Ripple was designed with banking and finance industry in mind, and this project is aimed at solving banking problems. Though Ethereum can be created without limitations, due to its small supply, the rate of creation will slow over time. In the future, demand will increase, leading to higher prices and higher returns for early investors. So, Ripple is different from other cryptocurrencies as both XRP coins already exist in circulation. And as Ripple seems to be a blessing disguised, not everything is bad. In terms of investment, XRP has many downsides that make it a jackpot in terms of a game changer. So let's see the bright side of XRP, shall we? Ripple has a bright future. Many cryptocurrency analysts and speculators believe it will be a viable choice for both new and experienced traders. So now here are some reasons to consider why XRP is such a good investment. With Ripple coins priced at 73.3 cents last August 3rd at 124 UTC, the price is affordable. To put it another way, XRP has reduced in price compared to its previous high from last year. Thus, even a modest wager of $50 will yield more than 200 ripples. And it will take less than a few $100s to get a significant amount of ripples. According to some industry experts, Ripple will break through the $1,000 barrier within the next 10 years after reaching its highest point of over $3.10 in 2018. Meanwhile, a couple of other forecasts are even more optimistic, stating that purchasing Ripple can result in a large return on investment, given its low price and increasing popularity. While Ripple may help major banking institutions overcome challenges, it also improves the cash exchange process, which is beneficial to the economy. Ripple may also benefit small businesses, and if widely adopted, Ripple would open up the global economy to millions of traders and entrepreneurs. The market capitalization of Ripple is approximately $34 billion, making it the world's sixth largest cryptocurrency. It is a good indicator of trust by investors, as a high market capitalization makes an asset less vulnerable to unpredictable market fluctuations. In addition to Ripple's cryptocurrencies and technology, the company employs over 500 full-time employees, including public relations and communications experts, who promote the product to banks, customers, and prospective customers. Despite what it may seem, not everything that appears to be detrimental is in fact harmful. Also, among all cryptocurrency markets, only Ripple has the most support from financial institutions. There are more Ripple users in certain circles than Bitcoin users, according to Pete Rizzo of CoinDesk. The German bank, the first major bank to use Ripple Payment Protocol in May 2014, is a popular Bitcoin alternative. And the other top three partners are American Express, Santander, and MoneyGram, which is just the tip of the iceberg. Also, CDBC, which is a central bank digital currency, and Ripple revealed in March 2021 that it will develop private ledgers based on the public XRP ledger. With the ability to cross hundreds of thousands of transactions per second, it can facilitate tens of thousands of transactions per second. It is almost certain that similar private endeavors will also happen in the future, according to the developers. Furthermore, many potential banks and financial institutions are likely to use a proprietary version of XRP. So after a Securities and Exchange Commission lawsuit, XRP is now on the mend. Now that it has become clear SEC's case is weak and Ripple's chances are improving, it is increasingly likely that Ripple will prevail. Due to this, XRP has risen in price and appears to be continuing to rise. Lastly, we have reached the point you have all been looking forward to since the video began. There is only one conclusion apparent from the current scenario and the large investors backing Ripple. There's no doubt that Ripple is going to be a huge thing, if not the biggest, while short-term investments and mid-term investments will be profitable. And most investments are a matter of risk versus reward, since the SEC case will not be ongoing forever. Alternatively, the future benefits greater than the potential consequences of the risks. In addition to its potential risks, Ripple creators own a considerable amount of digital currency. Although it's gaining traction, it's still a long way from challenging the biggest competitor in the industry, and it's not the most widely appreciated blockchain technology. Nevertheless, even small everyday investors and enthusiasts like us can buy and store a large amount of XRP at its current price of just 73 cents. So, in relation to the question of how much XRP you need to own in order to become rich, you may also want to consider first the term rich is subjective, and the terms rich and wealthy are not in reality comparable. Considering the current market scenarios, Ripple XRP investments will provide decent returns over the medium and long term, taking into account the big influential people. With an investment of $200 and 120 XRPs, for instance, you'll have $600 when the price rises to $5. That means you will have to spend around $50,000 on XRP to get a return of nearly $1 million over the next few years to come. Then again, holding 1,000 to 5,000 XRPs these days won't be much hassle at all because of its price. It will match the massive value of $100 in a few years, giving us as much as 100 times the initial investment. In just a few years, even the smallest risk takers can become multi-millionaires if an optimistic expert is right about its future growth. Even with these things being said, it is still wise to invest cautiously and only invest what you can afford to lose. That's all for this video about crypto, and thank you for watching. If you would like to receive updates on the crypto market, make sure you click the subscribe and bell button.